In this video, we show you how to replace, add, or upgrade the graphics card in your Alienware Area 51 AAT2250. Before you begin, ensure your computer is turned off and all connected devices are unplugged. Remember to use ESD protection when you're working inside the computer to ensure your personal safety. For more information on ESD protection, refer to your computer's manual. Before you begin, remember the following. When handling the graphics card, position your hands at the top of the module and make sure not to put any pressure on the fan blades. If protective film is present on the replacement card, peel it off prior to installation. Also, make sure that the cables are completely inserted into the connectors. Refer to the graphics card matrix in the manual to get more information regarding graphics card support. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver to complete this procedure. To begin, remove the safety screw and rotate the knob clockwise to the unlocked position. Then press the release button on the left side of the chassis and lift the cover away from the chassis. Make sure to store it somewhere safe. Lay the computer on its side. Press the clip on the graphics card power connector and disconnect the cables from the graphics card. Note, the type of connectors on your graphics card may vary depending on the specific configuration. Now, remove the two screws on the rear wall of the chassis. Next, make sure to loosen the captive screw on the end holder. Depending on the configuration of the graphics card you have, there may be an additional screw that needs to be loosened. And slide the holder to the right. Push the securing tab on the PCIe slot away from the graphics card. Then grasp the card at its top corner and ease it out of the slot. To install the graphics card, position it over the PCIe slot, push it down, and lock it into place. Then push the graphics card end holder to secure the graphics card and tighten the captive screw. Replace the two screws on the rear wall of the chassis and connect the power cables to the corresponding power connectors on the graphics card. Ensure that the cables are fully inserted into the connectors. Place the computer upright. Align the tabs on the cover with the slots on the chassis, then tilt the cover towards the computer until it clicks into place. Finally, turn the knob counterclockwise to the locked position. Then secure the knob by replacing the screw. If you need more information or assistance, go to alienware.com.